Okay, clear the prop, AC. When you follow it, you follow the dipstick all the way down. The dipstick is inserted properly. The whole entire block is shaken. There we go. Either it's a bad motor mount, or the engine's actually that much out of balance. Okay, shut off the AC. The AC is actually off. What quality workmanship. I mean, again, what quality? Start her up. Lower block was replaced by Chrysler on Wednesday. Brought it back. We complained about the engine vibrating. We looked closer and it appears they reused all the old seals and gaskets, or most of them that we observed. They're actually all reused. That's not good practice. We tend to work on our own vehicles from time to time, and even we know that you shouldn't use old seals and gaskets. It's just not good practice. While you have the engine apart, you might as well replace the seals and gaskets. Also, when you break a motor mount, you really should replace it, because the customer is not going to be happy. I really think the engine should be blueprinted and balanced anyway. Substandard work on Chrysler's end. My son got so disgusted that he traded it in for a Mini Counrtryman. Alright, that's out. Chrysler, we think we're entitled to a total refund on the warranty that was purchased for this vehicle, because that warranty wasn't worth a penny. Shoddy work was done to restore the drivetrain.